Hey, Wolfie.
Yep.
I have a gift for you.
Gift? What did you get me?
This.
Cap? It looks exactly like yours, but different colors and details.
Yeah, but brand new and perfect for you to wear. I bought it from the shop, so I hope it fits you.
Let me guess. Matching hats?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I will put them on. Just for you, okay?
Okay.
And that's my story. Like, who allows something that is not mixed together? Come on, you should have listened to her instead. Just ignore her and do it anyways.
Wow. Did you hear that coming?